A Syracuse home is now unlivable after a fire swept through the West Kennedy Street house this morning.
The man living inside was burned, but as News Channel 9's Julia LeBlanc shows us this evening, the outcome could have been much worse. Julia, firefighters believe there was a life-saving factor in this case, right?
That's right, Rod and Christy. Syracuse Fire Chief Michael Mons says firefighters visited this very home a month ago to install a smoke alarm. He credits that installation with saving this man's life. Firefighters say the man was home at the time of the fire, which spread through the first and second floors. Because of the alarm, the man was able to escape with his dog before crews got to the scene. The person was transported to the hospital with burns, but is expected to be okay. The smoke alarm installation program making all of this possible. If people don't have alarms, they can call their local fire department and have them put it in for free. Chief Mons says it's one of the most important tools to have in your home, and this case is an example of that.
It alerts you the first sign of any fire in the house. The smoke rises, it goes to the detector, and when you're sleeping, the smoke detector is not sleeping. So today it paid huge dividends, and it's one of the greatest programs we have in our department.
Now, if you need a smoke alarm, the Syracuse Fire Department will help you. To get started, give the City Fire Prevention Bureau a call at 315-448-4777. Rod.
Julia, thank you.